Hello friends, welcome to another video of home classes. In this video, we will see how you can download Anaconda in your computer, be it a desktop or laptop. For this, there are some basic requirements because Anaconda is a work-heavy environment IDE supported by Python, and we have to first check whether your computer is a 32-bit computer or a 64-bit computer, and your computer must have at least 3 GB of disk space for downloading the full Anaconda distribution. Because there are many types of things in Anaconda, so it requires much more memory. For this, first you go to any Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, any web browser, and type Anaconda on the internet and search. Here, suppose we go Anaconda download distribution environment. Now, if you click in this, I already have signed up, so I have this kind of environment and I have downloaded already. You can see there will be Jupyter, there will be some forums, docs, and PyScript, EduBlocks, tools for Excel. There are many types of things you can do with Anaconda. So commonly we download the full environment. You can also download one mini Conda or one smaller version for computers which are not so much powerful. So if you download this and you will go to the downloads, you will see that you have this kind of file. Now you have to run this. When you run this, you will see that the software will try to install. The window will come up like this. Please wait, the setup is installing. Now here you can see it is written that welcome to Anaconda 3, the 64-bit setup, because this is a 64-bit computer. See, it is recommended that you close all other applications, they are saying, because it will be possible to update relevant system files without having to reboot your computer. Because it is a heavy environment, they are saying that you close all the I will do this for all users. Then I will click on next. Yes. Now you will click only on the first one, create shortcuts. This will take some time. This will extract all the files from the installer to the Anaconda in your C drive, wherever the file is created. If you want to see the details, this will go like this. They are extracting all the files and installing it on the computer. Now, one common question is whether you can download Anaconda in the Linux or other environments. And friends, this is very easy. No issue will be there to install Anaconda in Windows or Mac OS or Linux. Just you have to make sure that you download the correct installer while you are signing up in their website. In the website itself, you have to select whether you will use it for Mac OS or for Linux, open source. Anaconda is an open source software because it is free to download. Here you have to wait for some time when they are setting up the package cache memory, and you have to connect to the internet. Good internet connection must be there. So generally for now the Python which is installed with Anaconda is Python 3.9. This may take some time and you have to wait patiently for this setup to complete. So This is our installation in progress. The computer has already installed in cache memory, and now it is working for the next extractions and execution. You can see there are so many files which has been extracted and installed in the your computer or whichever computer you install C drive. Here it is working. So the progress bar sometimes stalls near the end of the installation. This is because the computer is working in the background and you should be patient while there is 1 or 2 minutes remaining, because there it is running some crucial uninterrupted processes for the setting up of directory permissions and other tasks. This will help in installation and further future running. So you need to be patient during this process when the installation is towards the end and the progress bar shows very little task is left. As you can see, this installation is complete and the message reads setup was completed successfully. Here it is also completed. We now click on next. Here you can see that everything you love about Anaconda is now available from the cloud with the Anaconda's fully loaded Jupyter Notebook. So this is what the CBSE class 10 recommends for this year syllabus. You have this launch and welcome to Anaconda. This is also optional. We will not do this now. We click on finish. So in the next video we will see how we will work with Anaconda and Jupyter notebooks. Thank you.